might seem like a contradiction, starting forest fires to prevent forest fires, but it's something each Forest Service station does between April and June every year. The goal is to knock out areas during the wetter months that will become a problem during summer fire season.
We're probably going to have about 15 to 20 different burns, ranging from size to 20 acres to a couple hundred acres. On the forest as a whole, we probably have 100 burns or so.
It's areas like the one behind me here that the Forest Service really focuses their controlled burn efforts on. There's lots of things like bushes and high grass that can feed a fire and make it stronger. And they're not taking any chances with safety.
Around structure areas, we'll actually put in place our personnel and our engines. After we do our controlled burns, we'll basically have people spread all over the fire, checking the lines.
And knocking out fuels in these areas isn't just about prevention, but each burn spot is also strategically chosen to weaken parts of a larger fire, like it did last year in this area.
We knew that if it got into that area, that we could easily suppress it. It would slow down. That wouldn't be nearly as much of an issue, so that aided us in being able to supply more firefighters near the residences and structures near Trout Lodge.
While the burnings do put some smoke in the air that will drift down into our area, firefighters say it's much better than a lot of smoke from a massive wildfire later in the summer. On White Pass, Adam Beck, NBC, right now.